welcome back to my channel. My name's Kilee and today we are doing a house tour of a beach house. I make a lot of home content here on my channel. I do house tours, I sometimes travel and do house tours, I make home decor content, and I love to share everything that I do with you guys, and that includes my love of travel and different houses that we stay at. So today we're going to be doing a house tour of a beach house. We're here in Holden Beach, North Carolina, and we are checking out this house. It's called Easy Day by Proactive Vacation. I'm super excited to be coming to this house and sharing it with you guys because this is not the first time we've been here. A couple years ago, we came on a family vacation and stayed at this house right here, and I filmed it. Today we are back because there are new owners. They've had some upgrades. We wanted to share all of the new fun things at this house in Holden Beach. So I'm going to be showing you all the rooms, all the details, the cute decor. I'll make sure to link this house in the description box below. If you're coming to Holden Beach, then you need to consider renting this house because I have stayed in a lot of beach houses. I'm from the beach. I'm from the coast of North Carolina. I've been in tons and tons of beach houses, and this one is perfect. It's a great beach house for your family, for a couple families, and I can't recommend it enough. Plus, I just really love Holden Beach. I think coastal North Carolina is beautiful. One of my favorite things about being able to make content for YouTube and making home decor content is being able to share home tours. I love to share different places. I love to show places in different cities, in different countries. I think it's really cool to see different houses and escape a little bit from my house that you guys always see, to show you guys a different house and just a different layout and like a whole different vibe. So obviously this is a very coastal house and my house is not like that. So I'm excited to kind of get out of my normal and show you guys this house, because who doesn't want to see like a really nice house? Of course, I do. I always do. So let's go inside and check it out. First come into the house, you come into this living room area, and it's super open dining area, nice kitchen back here. There's 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Now this is the cutest house. It's perfect for probably like 2 families, maybe even 3, depending how many kids you have. So I've kicked all my family out for a few minutes while I show you guys all of the rooms. They are all hanging out outside. This is the first bedroom when you come in, like the closest one. It's queen bedroom. It looks like a little shark bedroom. It has like little shark teeth up here. My daughter Kilee is staying in this room. She's excited because she's got this big old bed. So here's me. And then look at this. There's so many little details in all the rooms that I just think are so cute. So this little whale basket. Then on the beds, they've got some books. This is the area where a lot of the Nicholas Sparks books are set, and actually a lot of the Nicholas Sparks books are filmed here, so that's a little fun fact for you. I've noticed a lot of Nicholas Sparks books in here, which are really good books if you're into romance novels. Anyway, this is the first bedroom, and then it leads to this Jack and Jill bathroom, which goes to the other bedroom, which we're gonna go see now. This is the second bedroom. This is the one on the other side of the little bathroom. So this one's definitely giving like sailboat vibes. It's got a little oar up here, little sailboat, some more books. Look, another Nicholas Sparks book. This one is The Choice. I think there's a movie about that one. My oldest daughter is staying in this one and she really likes it. So That's this room. And then into the bathroom, it's gonna be kind of hard to show you guys because my camera doesn't zoom out like I wish it did. But bathroom, and then a nice shower. You know, I'm gonna take some inspiration from this because the shower curtains are hung up super high and it does make it look a lot nicer in here than if they were lower. I've noticed that in a lot of people's bathrooms, but this shower, I love the tile in here too. Super cute, very roomy, nice looking shower, and I love the Jack and Jill style bathrooms. We do have obviously the living room, 2 couches, TV, some games in here, lots of good stuff. Over here, the other 2 bedrooms I'll show y'all in a minute. There's a big dining room table and it seats a ton of people. I love this little area here. Then we have the kitchen over here and also a good sized kitchen. I'm not joking when I tell y'all these cabinets are stocked. Anything you would need. So let me just give you a few examples. Oh, you need a juicer? They've got it. Need some kids plates? They're here. Forgot your Yeti? No, you didn't. I don't even have this many utensils in my own house. On here, there's a toaster and a crock pot, rice cooker, and a chopper, and a mixer, and a Ninja blender, and literally every single appliance you could ever want. The next room on the list to show you guys is the king bedroom. This is where me and Tim are staying. Super comfortable bed. This is probably one of the more comfortable beds that I've stayed in. So 10 out of 10 on that one. It's very cute details. Everything's obviously like a really coastal vibe. And then the view out the window is amazing. So this is the view. You have right out to the canal out there. Love that. Cannot tell you how much I love that. I'm from the Outer Banks, which isn't super far from Holden Beach. So it's just home vibes. Coastal North Carolina is just home vibes for me. So next we're gonna go check out the room that your kids would be staying in, or my kid is staying in too. It is right across the hall from the king bedroom, which is super convenient. Bathroom right here. Kids room is over here. This is the cutest room. The decor is like a surf vibe. This room set up is perfect. We actually just have Trip in here in the pack and play because the girls are staying in the other rooms, but there's 4 twin beds in here. So you could fit lots of children in here. We have a TV up here. It's like if you had 2 families with, you know, 2 kids each, this would be like the perfect place and there would still be room to spare. So obviously lots of options for multiple families staying here. I also really like that there's outlets and storage underneath all of the beds. Storage underneath the bed is one of my favorite things about a bed. I feel like all beds should come with storage under them, so definitely love that aspect. Pack and play also is here, so I love a beach house or a vacation house that has amenities for babies. It's super appreciated when you don't have to bring a pack and play with you. So our room here, I'm in the kid room, and then here is the bathroom. Really nice big shower. Very cute. Good lighting too. Can't go wrong with that. So hello guys, hi. So obviously now we have to head outside because I've got to show you the outside of the house, because obviously if you're going to the beach, that is the most important part of where you're staying. You're not going to be spending too much time inside, no matter how nice the house is if the weather's good. So let's go outside and check it out. carport here. And then underneath here, there's so much more room to hang out. The upstairs is a great living area, but when it's warm, you wanna be outside. And I love that they've transformed like underneath the house to a living area also. So there's just so much more space under here. There are 2 places to sit. There's a table, there's a grill, there's an outside shower that's perfect when you come back from the beach. There's swings for the kids. There is a dock, hammocks, like so much stuff down here that's perfect for hanging out. They also have a TV out here. So like I said, if you have multiple families here, this is the perfect thing because there's so much room to hang out. So on this side, we've got a table. This is the stairs that leads up to the back deck. There are darts down here. There's an outside shower. This is the porch area. The girls are out there fishing right now. And we've got Trip's playpen so we can fish out here. We've got 2 rocking chairs, another seating area over here, 2 hammocks, and the swings, which these are added on since the last time we've got here. There are now swings here and the kids love that. So I think this is beautiful. It's beautiful in the morning. It's beautiful in the evening. They've got a grill over here. There's a place to clean fish. There's a floating dock. So here is the house behind me. You've got the top deck up here that leads into the main living area. Trip is up there. Hi, Trip. Hi, Chip. So Trip's up there. There's a gate up there. So if you have babies, they can't fall down the stairs. It is February when we're visiting right now. So it's not like amazingly warm, but we have been and stayed in this house in the summer too. And it was great. I love the outside just as much as I love the inside. Hi, Chip. Hi. Huge shout out to the owners of Easy Day for hosting us this weekend. We absolutely love visiting and sharing this house with all of you. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do. I love sharing home decor, DIYs, home tours, and other homemaking content. And if you're coming down to Holden Beach, check out Easy Day at the link in the description. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. And if no one sold you today, you're doing a great job. I'll see you next time.